Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kaptechpro. So friends, on this video we will see how we can disable the subsite creation in our SharePoint Online. So friends, let's go to our lab environment and let's see how we can do that. So friends, before we proceed to our lab environment, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe and please press the bell icon to get notified every time I release a new video. Okay friends, so now we are on our SharePoint Admin Center, and before we proceed to disable the subsite creation in SharePoint Online, I will randomly open any one of the site. Let me open the site with the name of document library. Alright, here if I will go to the site contents, the users, those who have permission on the the particular site, they can create a subsite by simply clicking on new, and at the last they will get an option of subsite. And once the user will create a subsite, that particular subsite will be getting displayed over here. Let me go there and let me show you how it works. The user will click on subsite, and here he can just simply enter the the title and description, and here you can see the website address. So up to this place everything will be remain as it is. You can see this is my site URL of document library, and after that whatever name you will give over here will be the website address for the subsite. And from just below that, user can select the the language of the site, and these are the some templates which user can use. And then he can select the permission, like if the user want to have a same permission as the parent site, this is the parent site, he can choose this, or maybe he can select the option to have the unique permission on the subsite. And then we have some navigation options, like whether the user want to display the subsite in the parent site in the quick launch and then in the top link bar. So accordingly user can choose it how basically he wants. Let me cancel this, and once the user will create the site over there, that site will be as I've informed, will be get displayed over here. Now in my organization, I don't want any one of my users to create the subsites. I want to just disable these subsite creation in my organization. I don't want users to create a subsite. So to prevent the users from creating the subsites, you have to be a SharePoint admin. And now let me tell you how we can disable subsites. So for that, you just need to simply just click on settings in the SharePoint Admin Center. And as of now, the date on which I am creating this video, you can see these are the few options which are available in the modern SharePoint Admin Center. However, to disable the subsite option is not available as of now in the modern experience. So for that, you can see here the message, can't find the settings you are looking for, go to the classic settings page. So if I will click on this, we will be navigating to classic SharePoint Admin Center, and as you can see, it is taking a few seconds to get load on. So these are the remaining features which are only available in the the classic version of the SharePoint Admin Center. And here if you will scroll down a bit, you can see we have this option of subsite creation. So we can basically control the subsite creation for people who have permission to create site. These are the three options, and by default this option is always selected, enable subsite creation for all site. This option is enabled by default. Then we have the the first option, disable subsite creation for all the sites. So by choosing this option, none of the user in my organization, even the SharePoint admin, not be able to create any subsite. And then the second option is enable subsite creation for classic sites only. If you have classic sites, you can only enable for it as well. So we'll go with the disable subsite creation for all the sites. I will select this option, and we just need to simply click on OK. As you can see, it will take 5 to 10 seconds to load, because this is the classic experience. Okay, so now we can just simply close this setting page. And now if I will go to the site contents of the document library, now we are back to our the site content of our document library. Let me refresh the site once. And now here you can see, if I'll click on new, the option is completely gone of creating a subsite. Earlier we were getting the option to create a subsite, but as of now you can see the option is completely gone. But this particular option of subsites will be remain here as it is, because maybe before disabling the subsite creation, users have created the site, so those subsites will be displayed over here. But once you will disable the subsite creation, the option of creating a subsite will be completely gone. So friends, that's how we can disable the subsite creation in a SharePoint Online. So that's conclude our video demonstration. For more informative videos, you can check my other video links on the screen and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more upcoming videos. I will see you guys in next video.